Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kale salad from Chick-fil-A. First, gather your fresh ingredients: curly kale, green cabbage, and a bright lemon. You will also need roasted almonds for that signature crunch. For the dressing, have apple cider vinegar, olive oil, maple syrup, and Dijon mustard ready. Having all components chilled will enhance the salad's refreshing taste. Now let's prepare the greens. Begin by washing your kale and green cabbage thoroughly. It's crucial to dry them completely, perhaps using a salad spinner or paper towels, to prevent a watery salad. Next, remove the tough ribs from the kale and finely chop the leaves into small, manageable pieces. Then, thinly shred the green cabbage to match the kale's texture. The dressing is key to this salad's flavor. In a small bowl, combine 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Next, slowly whisk in 3 tablespoons of olive oil and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Continue whisking until the dressing is smooth and well emulsified, ensuring all ingredients are perfectly blended for a tangy and sweet vinaigrette. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious kale salad. In a large bowl, combine your chopped kale and shredded cabbage. Pour the prepared dressing over the greens and gently toss until everything is evenly coated. For the best texture, you can lightly massage the kale with the dressing for about 1 minute. Finish by topping your salad with the crunchy roasted almonds. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.